Welcome to Lab 10 with Justin, Liam, Harlan, and Michael. We are Section 5, Group 2. For our project in Lab 10, we wanted to build an aerospace structure, and we chose to build it off of a rocket booster's landing legs returning back to Earth, much like SpaceX's Falcon rocket booster returning, or Blue Origin's New Shepard returning back to Earth. These are important because if the legs don't work, explosions happen. Explosions are bad. So to test this, we built 4 different structures. We want to test them dropping with the Pasco system and the force plate connected to a computer in lab. For these structures, we had 4 different setups with 4 different configurations of landing gear. This one, which is configuration 1 with 4 bendy legs, then 2 separate ones, 2 and 3, with 2 different setups of bendy legs, and then a 4th, which included the more stiff legs, which we expected to have the largest impulse and most impact on landing. This is pictured in the scaling picture because we weighted each of the configurations and then dropped them from 4 different heights. Now please enjoy the video of them being dropped to DragonForce's Through the Fire and the Flames.
In flames of death, eternal rain, we ride towards the fight. When the darkness is falling down, and the times are tough, alright. The sound of evil laughter falls around the world tonight. Fighting hard, fighting on for the steel through the wastelands evermore.
After we concluded our 4 trials with 4 different configurations from 4 different heights, we had a lot of data. And yes, I mean a lot of data, as we had the force plate recording in many locations, but really we only needed 1 part from each of the 16 runs. This was put into a more condensed data file that we were then able to put into MATLAB. In MATLAB, we were able to go through our data more thoroughly and able to produce in 32 plots, 2 for each of the 16 trials, a force diagram and also an FFT run, which helped us identify when the impulse had ended. So, with this data, though, we were able to miraculously pull something very good from this, and it was what we expected. The green line is the one trial that had the stiffer struts, and this, at every height, recorded a larger impulse than the 3 other trials that had the flexible struts. So, this goes to prove that in current and future rocket boosters that plan to return to Earth and land, there needs to be some flex, or else they will explode, which is bad. This has been a Section 5 Group 2 production. Thank you for watching.